to you all. Ramadan Mubarak to all of those who are celebrating. Yes, this is a Ramadan special video where I am doing grocery shopping from Asda, and they have got a lot of deals going on for Ramadan. I specifically put these Palestinian delights in my trolley because I wanted to contribute to the Palestinian world in some way possible. Other than this, I got some rice, some pasta, besan to make pakoras, and also some juices, which I'm going to show you next. This is my shopping bag, and this is what I've got. Got this ginger powder this time instead of having ginger in the natural form. And this is my Ramadan grocery, which is besan, a large bottle of oil. Generally, I don't use a lot of oil during the year, but it's only Ramadan where I do deep frying, and that's why I've got this 3-liter bottle that is going to last me 1 month. Some tang juice, meat, dates, and imli, tamarind concentrate to make imli chutney. So let's start with Ramadan preparations. First of all, I had these green chilies from a week before and they were going bad. So I decided to take the stem off and blend it well in a paste with coriander stems and make it into a chutney. Yes, I don't waste coriander stems at all because I feel that it has got great taste. So if you are wasting these stems, please don't waste them. I'll store this green paste in ice cube tray and I will use it according to my portion size. And now coming to the next task, which is portioning meat into small boxes. Yes, when I bring it along, I portion it into my family size. Next, I got garlic. This time I got the whole garlic and I decided to pre-peel it for myself. So I peeled it while watching a TV show, and this is how I got pre-peeled garlic that you normally get from the superstore, but I wanted to do it at home. I had this bud of garlic and it was going to waste. So anyway, I thought of peeling it. It saves a lot of time while I'm cooking dishes. Task is to make achari chicken samosas. I will make enough for us to last a whole month, and if not, I will make a second round of it. So I've used boneless chicken and marinated it with achari masala, and I've put vegetables. So coriander stems, as I told you, they have got great taste. Bell peppers of your choice, and then you make this filling and then make it into samosas, which I will be showing you later in the video. If you don't know how to roll rolls or samosas, then you will have great help. I bought these ready-made roll pastries. Basically, these are pastry sheets from the supermarket from Asda. You can get it from anywhere. They're quite thin, but this is what I got and this is what I have to work with. So these are quite big, these are big squares, so I decided to cut them in half because I want to make smaller rolls. I have my filling by my side and I've made a wheat slurry so that I can stick the rolls together. And this is how I make rolls. I make sure I don't put a lot of filling because, as I told you, these pastry sheets are quite thin. So if you end up frying them and putting a lot of filling, they will just break in while frying, and it will be a disaster because your rolls will just come out and they won't look good. So yeah, just have a look as how I'm making them, and if you really want a detailed video on how to make these rolls, what technique do I use, then I can make a separate video for you. iftar preparations, Ramadan preparations, be it chutneys, rolls, samosas, dahi badas, whatever at home. Even though if she's busy, she's also a working woman and she gets busy. Even then, she takes out time for family, and this is what I want to follow. And I'm trying to make home cooked food for my family. Now, the second task is to make imli chutney. This is a quick way. I'm using tamarind concentrate and putting in water, few of the spices, salt, red chili powder, and some sugar, and it will be ready. It's not amazing as my mom makes it, but at least I am trying to follow her footsteps and I'm feeling really, really happy. Let me know how you are celebrating Ramadan and what dishes have you made at home. And if you have found this useful, press a like.